Using a work train order. A work train order will be delivered in a proposed state, represented by a grey border. F1 is greyed out until the order's details have been viewed. To view an order's details, press the down arrow. A work train order's special instructions will include the TOA limits. To return to the proposed work train order, press the left arrow. F1 is now available and can be selected to accept the order. Or you can reject it by pressing F2. A confirmation window will be provided. To confirm work train order acceptance, press the tick or press the cross to cancel the acceptance process. An hourglass is displayed while order acceptance is processed. The work train order's border will turn orange once processed. If the work train commences outside of the TOA, an arrival report will be required. To report arrival, press F3. A confirmation window will be provided. To confirm your arrival, press the tick or press the cross to cancel the arrival process. An hourglass is displayed while the arrival report is processed. Once ready to fulfill the work train order, press F3. A confirmation window will be provided. You will notice a phone next to the Confirm button. This indicates fulfillment will initiate a call to a network controller. To confirm work train order fulfillment, press the tick or press the cross to cancel the fulfillment process. The ICE will initiate a call to network control. Advise network control of the train's location and details. An hourglass is displayed while order fulfillment is processed. Once fulfilled, a blank order will be displayed. Press the cross to return to the ICE home screen. This completes the Using a Work Train Order Electronic Authorities module.